Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic, set part 2. This is lecture number 22 and HW number 17. Dear students, now let us start our today's class. At first, we will solve question number 2 and sub number 2 from exercise 2.1. Here the question is, express the following set in set builder notation. Here is set given and it is expressed in rooster method. We have to convert this set into set builder notation. Okay, at first we'll write given set is 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 and 36. Dear students, if you observe that all of the elements of this set are come from set of natural number and all of the elements are the factors of 36. If we divide 36 by all of these number, then a remainder will be 0. So we can say that all of the elements of this set are the factors of 36 and all of the elements of this set will come from set of natural numbers. So if we convert this set into set builders method, then it will be x is the element and it will come from set of natural number. That means x belongs to n such that x is x is a factor of 36. We have already converted this set into set builders method. Dear students, we have solved question number 2, sub number 2. Now we will solve question number 3. This is the answer of question number 2, sub number 2. Now we will solve question number 3, sub number 1. Here the question is, if A equal to 2, 3, 4, B equal to 1, 2A and C equal to 2AB, then determine the following sets. First one you have to find out B delete C. At first you write given that B equal to 1, 2A and C equal to 2AB. Given that B equal to 2, 4, 6, C equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, sorry, here given that B equal to 1, 2A and C equal to 2AB. B equal to 1, 2 and A. C equal to 2A and B. Therefore B delete C. We can express this as B minus C also. Now the value of B is 1 2 and a, 1 2 and a, minus c, value of c is 2 a and b. Now if we subtract this set from this set, which element will come? Here the element which exists in first set but not exist in second set will come here. Here element 1 exists in this set but it is not exist in this set, so 1 will come. Element 2 exists in this set but it's also exist in this set, so 2 will not come. Element a exists in first set, it also exists in second set, so a will not come. So these sets elements only will be 1 and answer is 1. Dear the students, we have finished question number 3 sub number 1. Now we'll solve question number 3 sub number 4. Here we have to find out the value of A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. At first we will write the value of A, B and C. Given that A equal to 2 3 4, 2 3 and 4, B equal to 1 2 and A, 1 2 A, and C equal to 2 A B. We have to find out the value of A union B intersection C. At first we will find out the value of B intersection C, then we can easily find out the value of A union B intersection C. Therefore B intersection C equal to, value of B is 1 2 A, intersection value of C is 2 A B. Now if we intersect this set and this set, then which elements will come? Common elements. That means which element exists in this set and this set will come in here. 1 exists in first set but it is not exist in second set, so 1 will not come. 2 exists in first set and it is also exist in second set, so 2 will come. A also exists in first set and also exist in second set, so A also will come. B exists in second set but it is not exist in first set, so B will not come. That means its value will be 2A. Value of B intersection is 2A. Now we will find out the value of A union B intersection C. Now A union B intersection C equal to, at first we will put the value of A here, given that value of A equal to 2 3 4, 2 3 and 4. Union value of B intersection C is 2A. Now we have to find out the union of these two sets. Here all of the elements, that means the elements of first set and elements of second set, all elements will come here, and one elements will not write 2 times, one elements will write only 1 times. All elements of this set will come, that means 2 3 4 have to write here 2 3 4, and all elements of this set also will come, but 2 already we have written, so second time we need not to write 2, only A will write now. This is the value of A union B intersection C, and it is the answer of this math. Okay, dear the students, we have solved question number 3. Now we'll solve question number 4. Here the question is if U equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, A equal to 1 3 5, B equal to 2, 4, 6 and C equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have to verify the following statements. First statement is B intersection C whole prime equal to B prime union C prime, and another statement is B intersection B union C equal to A union C intersection B union C. Okay, at first we will solve two number, and here U is the universal set and A, B, C are the subset of U. At first we will write, at the time of solving two number, we will write the value of U, value of V and value of C. Given that U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B equal to 2, 4, 6. B equal to 2, 4, 6. And C equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we will find out the value of left hand side and right hand side. If the value of left hand side and right hand side is same, then we can say that the statement is verified statement. Now before the find out the value of B intersection C, at first you have to find out the before the finding out the value of B intersection C whole prime, at first you have to find out the value of B intersection C, then we can find out value of B intersection C whole prime. Now B intersection C, this is equal to, here the value of B is 2, 4, 6. Intersection C, value of C is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now intersections means common elements, that means the elements exist in this set and this set will come here. 2 exist in this set but it is not exist in this set, so 2 will not come. 4 exist in this set and also exist in this set. 6 exist in this set, also exist in this set. So 4 and 6 will come here. 4 and 6. Now we can find out the value of left hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to B intersection C whole prime. This is equal to, dear students, you have to know that x prime equal to what? We'll say it complement of x. Complement of x means we have to subtract the value of set x from its universal set. That means x prime equal to u minus x. Similarly, a prime equal to u minus a, and similarly we can write B intersection C whole prime equal to u minus B intersection, here intersection B intersection C. Here if we consider instead of B intersection C x exists, if we consider B intersection C as x, then x prime equal to u minus x. Okay, now instead of B intersection C whole prime, we can write u minus B intersection C. Now the value of u equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus B intersection C 4, 6. Now we have to delete this set from this. That means the elements which exist in first set but not exist in second set will come here. Such types of elements are 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. That means the value of left hand side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now we have to find out the value of right hand side. Here right hand side is B prime union C prime. At first you have to find out the value of B prime, then you have to find out the value of C prime, then we can find out the value of B prime union C prime. Now B prime is equal to U minus B, and this is equal to value of U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 minus value of B is 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6. This is equal to elements which exist in this set but not exist in this set will come. Such types of elements are 1, 3, 5 and 7. Now we'll find out value of C prime. C prime is equal to U minus C. Now value of U equal to U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus value of C is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now the elements which exist in this set and not exist in this set will come. Such types of elements are 1, 2, 3. Sorry, not 3 exist in this set, so 3 will not come. 1, 2, only 1 and 2 will come. Now we can easily find out the value of B prime union C prime. That means we can find the value of right hand side. Therefore right hand side is equal to B prime union C prime. B prime union C prime. Here value of B prime is 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5 and 7. Union. Value of C prime is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now union means all the elements from set first set and second set will come here. That means 1 will come, 2 also will come, 3, 5 and 7 will be the elements of this set. Now value of right hand side is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and value of left hand side also 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. So we are watching that left hand side, value of left hand side and value of right hand side are same. That means we can write therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. And now we can write verified it. Dear students, we have solved question number 4 sub number 2. Now we'll solve question number 4 sub number 4. Here the question is, we have to verify A intersection B union C equal to A union C intersection B union C. So at first you have to write the value of A, B and C. Given that A equal to 135, 1 3 5. B is equal to 2 4 6, 2 4 6, and C equal to 3 4 5 6 7, 3 4 5 6 7. Before finding out the value of left hand side, at first we'll find out the value of A intersection B. Now A intersection B equal to 1 3 5. Intersection value of B is 2 4 6. There is no any common element. There is no any common element. Here 1 3 5 and here 2 4 6. 1 3 5 2 4 6. So it will be empty set. Now left hand side, value of left hand side we can find. Therefore left hand side is equal to A intersection B union C. Here value of A intersection B is empty set, union value of C is 3 4 5 6 7, 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now union, so that all elements from first set and second set will come. Here any elements is not exist, so all of the elements of second set will come. That means 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now we'll find out the value of right hand side. Here value of right hand side is A union C intersection B union C. At first we'll find out A union value of A union C, then we'll find out value of B union C, then we can find out A union C intersection B union C. Now A union C equal to value of A is 1 3 5, 1 3 5. Union C, value of C is 3 4 5 6 7, 3 4 5 6 7. Now all of the elements from these two set will come. That means 1 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now we'll find out value of B union C. B union C equal to, here value of B is 2 4 6, 2 4 6. Union value of C is 3 4 5 6 7, 3 4 5 6 and 7. Union B union C, value of B is 2 4 6, value of C is 3 4 5 6 7. So since we have find out the value of the union of these two sets, so all of the elements from these two sets will come. That means 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 are the elements of these two set, are the elements of this set. Now we can find out the value of right hand side. Right hand side is equal to A intersection B union C, A intersection B union C. Sorry, right hand side is A union C, A union C intersection B union C. Now value of A union C is 1 3 4 5 6 7. 1 3 4 5 6 and 7. Intersection value of B union C 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now intersection sign exists here, so the elements which exist in this set and this set will come. That means one exists in first set but not exist in second set, so 1 will not come. Similarly 3 will not come, 4 will come, 3 will come. 3 exists in this set and this set, so 3 will come. 4 also exists in these two sets, so 4 also come, 5 also come, 6 also come, and 7 also come. 3 4 5 6 7. This is the value of right hand side. Now value of right hand side is 3 4 5 6 and 7. Value of left hand side also 3 4 5 6 7. That means we can write now, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Verified. Dear students, we have finished our today's CW. I think you have understood today's CW. Now I am giving you SW. Our today's SW. This is SW number 17, and the topic of SW number 17 is exercise 2.1, question number 2, sub number 1 and 3. Question number 3, sub number 1 and 5. Question number 4, sub number 1 and 3. I think you will be able to do your SW properly. Okay, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.